Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forecast.com YouTube channel. This is Henry and today is Thursday, August the 1st, 2019. The time is 4:30 a.m. GMT. So this is right after the Fed's meeting, and we will be looking at the euro dollars here 60 minutes chart. We can see right here that we are still within the wave 3 right now, subdivided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, an impulse, and with the right side tag red. So what this means is that we continue to like more downside in the euro dollars, right? And in fact, the US dollar has been strengthening across the board after the Fed's meeting today. And in the case of the euro, there is no difference. If we zoom out, looking at the daily here, we could see that it has, it's been drifting lower since September of last year. The decline has not been that strong, but it's consistently making a new low, as you can see here, and recently just break to new low, breaking below the main low of this year. And so that means that we should continue to see more downside, right? There's no way around it. No reason for us to suddenly become bullish or pick the top, pick the low here. Now if you look at this structure here in the daily, this looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This looks like your connector from the peak. Okay, so you can count this if you want as an ABC or as a 1, 2, 3, depending on how it progresses. Right, so assuming the more conservative view of an ABC, then the C equal to the A is going to give us potentially, right? Potentially, it can go to as low as 1.05, right? So that means that we can continue again to see more downside within this leg here, and continues to see more downside until at least 1.0560 right here. So for the time being, again, any bounce is expected to fail in 3711 swing in the euro dollars for the downside. Now since we are almost close to ending with 3 right here, so it's kind of a little bit risky for now in terms of the shorter cycle here, but again, any bounce again is going to fail in 3711 swing for the downside. As far as the target to the downside, again, if we look at the larger time frame, potentially can go to 1.0560, but shorter cycle, then it will be using this structure right here within the C leg to determine your target. Now we are in a 5 ways down from here, so we got this 1, 2, and then now within this wave 3, like you can see here. So we still have some ways to go here before finishing a 5 ways down from here. So we are wave 3, 4, and then 5, another one. So perhaps we can go to the this 1.0860 more or less as the next target to finish the 5 ways down. Okay, so that's the update from the euro. If you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. And also we have 14 days free trial and currently running a 50% promotion from the summer, and the link will be provided on the description of the video below. So see you all again tomorrow, and have a nice day everyone.